Welcome to our factory. Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how a Red Bull is made. Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Red Bull is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Alright team, this is the water treatment area.
The first and most critical step for the entire process.
As you can see by the sign, water treatment is the critical first step.
And these new membranes improve efficiency by 20%.
As you can see by the label, this is the main municipal water intake. This is where the treatment process begins.
Understood.
This is where the municipal water comes in. And the treatment process starts immediately from here. Yes, right through these main pipes.
We monitor turbidity, conductivity, and temperature to ensure the water is safe before release.
As you can see, the turbidity, conductivity, and temperature are all within acceptable limits. This is why we test the water before release.
As you can see, the intensity gauge confirms optimal UVC output, ensuring complete sterilization and
As you can see by the gauge reading, the UV intensity is optimal, ensuring complete control over bacteria and microorganisms.
Joint 4B seems secure, but check the pressure reading on the gauge. Pressure is steady at 50 psi. Seals look good.
check the main label on that drum, please. Lot 33C matched. Green light confirmed.
Is the scale calibrated?
Yes, zeroed and ready for the main addition.
Batch 42 approved.
Confirmed on the manifest. We are clear.
Ensure all components are secured before initiating the cycle. We must maintain peak efficiency.
All parameters confirmed. We are ready for integration.
Red Bull Energy Drink, Batch 017. Initiating mixing and carbonation phase.
Confirmed. Proceeding.
Mixing and carbonation phase initiated for batch 017.
Confirmed. Systems are nominal.
Pressure holding steady right at 6 psi.
Confirmed. Safe transport established.
Line pressure is stable.
Roger that.
Verify the temperature reading on line 3.
Matches specifications. Red Bull parameters are stable. Pressure looks good, right in the target range. Yep.
Yeah, confirmed on the tablet. Parameters are optimal.
The system confirms each Red Bull can reaches the exact approved volume, guarantees consistent Red Bull can weight and volume.
All parameters are well within tolerance.
Good. Let's keep monitoring the pressure sensors.
Stable operation confirmed on the Red Bull filling line.
Excellent. Everything is green across the board. Look at the throughput numbers here. All green across the board. We are good to go.
We are maintaining peak efficiency right here. Confirmed. Everything is stable.
We have a loose wrap here.
Noted. Let's pull this one for reinspection.
Okay, the rest looks solid. Approved.
Watch your clearance on the right. Looks good, set it down.
Bring the next pallet right up here. We need these Red Bulls loaded now.
Bay 3, clear to load. Let's keep this moving efficiently.
And that's how Red Bull energy drink is made.
And the portions is prepared to and that's how Red Bull energy drink is made.